Are you in search of ways to make money online to supplement your primary income? Or do you want to work on your own terms and go online full-time because you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind? You are not the only one. I get asked these questions a lot. How do I make money on the site or earn a living online? Whatever your reasons may be, the good news is that there are many reliable techniques to start making money in 2022. Whatever the reason, there are a wealth of available opportunities. For quite a few of them, all you're going to need is access to a reliable internet connection and a smartphone. If you want to earn extra money without breaking a sweat, keep watching. To save you time and hours of research, I've created this extensive list of online money-making ideas and gigs on the side. All you need to do is set aside some time to watch through the list, and I'm pretty confident you'll find one or two you quite like the sound of. Let's explore in detail some of the best ways of earning income on the internet. 10 ways to start making money online. Build a website and earn an affiliate commission. One of the most popular ways to make real money online is through affiliate marketing. 81% of brands and 84% of publishers use the power of affiliate marketing, and this statistic is likely to continue as affiliate marketing spending in the US increases every year. Affiliate marketing is a way of earning money by promoting various brands. You're promoting products, services, apps, software, and more. In return, companies pay you a commission when a customer buys a product using your link. There's the potential for the commission to be 50% of a $1,000 product, and for it to be a recurring commission every month. How does it work? You advertise the brands via your website by writing blogs, creating infomercials, and other types of content. You include links for your affiliate brands and push traffic to their website. Income potential: $300 to $10,000 per day. Dropshipping is an e-commerce fulfillment option that is unconventional in the sense that a store never actually keeps its products in stock. Rather, the seller makes purchases from a third party as needed to fulfill orders. That third party is typically a wholesaler or manufacturer. As there is no need for employees, a store, storage space, or even inventory, dropshipping requires very little in terms of upfront capital. Here are 7 steps that you need to complete to launch a dropshipping store. Find a dropshipping business niche or idea. Conduct competitor analysis. Find the right supplier that aligns with your requirements. Build an online dropshipping store. Promote your dropshipping business. Maintain your website and business. Keep optimizing your online store to increase sales. $100 up till $20,000 in profits per day. Become a writer on Medium. Medium is an online publishing platform that allows you to share your stories and ideas with a diverse audience. How to become a writer on Medium. Create an account on Medium. Write a story or a blog. Format the text of your pieces. Integrate media or images. Share the draft and hit publish. Analyze the results. Medium allows you to sign up for free and start earning money by writing to its huge audience base. Hundreds of businesses are looking for feedback and opinions about their products or services to make their processes more efficient. You can leverage this opportunity by filling out their surveys from the comfort of your home. How to earn money by taking surveys. Select a company and register with it after assessing its legitimacy. Create your profile and fill out all of the relevant details. Get the company surveys through email. Fill out the survey questions. Start earning rewards in the form of points or cash. To take surveys, you can either sign up to paid survey sites and earn money or look for websites that pay you for taking online surveys. Are you a talented artist or a designer? In that case, you can capitalize on your skills by selling your photographs or digital artwork online. How to sell your photos or digital art. Determine your target audience. Assess what you should be selling. Set a price. Approach the right marketplace to sell your digital artwork, such as Shopify, Etsy, etc. Distribute your artwork on multiple platforms to increase revenue. Become a virtual assistant. As a VI, your job is to provide online support to your clients. Businesses may also hire you to remotely provide customer services and follow up on clients. How to become a virtual assistant. Determine the services you want to offer as a virtual assistant. Set your pricing. Create a website to enhance your online presence. Create an impressive resume that showcases your skills. Start applying for virtual assistant jobs. On average, a virtual assistant earns $15.78 per hour. Online stock trading is a great way to earn money, but it can also be quite risky if you don't know what you are doing. To earn a profit, you need to research the market and make appropriate investments. How to get into online stock trading? Get in touch with a trustworthy online broker. Research each stock you plan to buy. Determine the type of trade order you want to place. Understand the expenses of trading stocks. Observe how trading stocks affect your taxes. Start trading your stocks. For some people, their earning potential is in the millions when it comes to online stock trading, while it only results in a loss for some. Be very careful if you are taking this route. Typically, you can make money in almost half an hour. To trade stocks online, 3 different costs include a fee per trade with average charges of $8.90, a broker-assisted fee of $30.99, and an account maintenance fee of $32.50. Get into crypto trading. Since cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, crypto trading can be quite a profitable endeavor. However, it can also be very risky, especially if you don't know much about the market, as the volatility can be at the benefit or detriment of your investment. Your earning potential could reach millions, but be extra careful, because the high volatility means an increased risk of losses as well. Cryptocurrency exchanges charge average trading fees of 0.2% per trade, as well as miscellaneous charges that include transaction fees, withdrawal fees, wire transfer fees, charges when sending money via a credit card, and more. Research online for Ask Wonder. Ask Wonder is a website that people use to get answers to their questions in 24 hours or less. The website provides a fast turnaround with quality answers, thanks to the analysts working on the team. If you like researching and answering questions, you can apply to be an analyst with Wonder and work from home. Analysts perform research based on the questions they receive, which may involve recommending a product or service, competitive landscaping, explaining a trend or phenomenon, gathering statistics, determining the size of a market. Selling online courses. You can now leverage the power of the internet and help learners seeking to learn new things through online courses. How to sell online courses. Select the topic. Conduct market research to analyze the demand. Clarify the learning outcomes. Create the content. Select the right course selling platform. Promote your course online. You can sell your courses on Skillshare or on Udemy. You can sell your online course on a monthly subscription basis or for a lump sum amount. Its cost really depends on the content's quality and demand. If you've done the market research right, you'll know what your audiences are willing to pay for it. If you are ready to earn money from a side hustle, or you have decided to leave your monotonous 9-to-5 job, you are in luck. Earning online in 2022 is even more exciting, thanks to the many opportunities available out there and the flexibility that comes with them. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share this video.